Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add pop-up in Elementor. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in WordPress, just click on the Create an Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, with GitHub, or you can use your business and working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Okay, so adding pop-ups in Elementor can serve several purposes, offering various benefits for your website. Say, for example, pop-ups can be highly effective for capturing leads by offering incentives such as discounts, freebies, or exclusive content in exchange for email signups. Now, in the left side panel of your dashboard, you need to go to the plugins, right? And click on Add New Plugin. Now, the first step is we need to install, obviously, Elementor here. By typing that, hit Enter. Okay, this one. Click on it. And as you can see, it's free to install and activate. All we have to do is just click on the purple button. And from here, installing Elementor in WordPress is a breeze. And you can go to the Manage Plugin, because from here you can configure settings. As you can see, if you don't have an account in Elementor, you might want to click on the Create My Account. But if you do have, just click on Connect Your Account. Now, once you've done that, remember you can use pop-ups to highlight special promotions, sales, or limited time offers to grab the attention of your website's visitors and encourage them to take action. Now, once you've set up your Elementor, the next step is we need to go back to the WordPress and get another plugin, which is called. So we need to navigate again to the left side panel of our dashboard here in WordPress. Click on the Add New Plugin, and from here, all we have to do is type in something like exclusive Elementor add-on. All right. Now, what we need to do is select this one. Now, we need to select this kind of plugin, exclusive add-ons for Elementor. Now, click on it. As you can see, it's free. All right. And it's the same process. All we have to do is install and activate. And just wait for a minute. And once it's successfully installed, as you can see, you can go to the Manage Plugin if you wanted to tweak some settings. But we're not going to do that because we need to add another plugin, which is... But be cautious that do not install and activate it yet. All right. Now, the next add-ons is we need to go here again in the plugin section, add a new plugin, and then type this in. It's called Anywhere Elementor, and hit Enter. And after that, this one, click on it. Okay, it's the same process. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and I believe it's a breeze. We are all set. Now, you can manage plugins because we need to go to the add-ons earlier. Now, the next step is you need to go to the left side panel again, click on the pages, and add a new page, because we're going to create our pop-up here on Elementor. Now, once you're here, if you don't have a page yet, because we're creating a new one, just choose a template that you wanted. Maybe I'm going to be using this one for now. Now, click on it. And published. Once you do that, what will happen is you need to click on the Edit with Elementor, this one. Now, once it's loading, once we are here, what we need to do is make this button right here to make it the pop-up option. All right. So for that to happen, we need to go again to our WordPress in the dashboard section. And we need to go to the AE templates and click on Add New. And once you do that, you can change it to something like maybe pop-up or this one, and click on the publish option right here. Okay, this step is very important, and once you do that, click again to the edit with Elementor. Now once we go back to the Elementor page, now once we are here, click on the add template, and just select, maybe you can select a template, pages, or block, but for now I'm gonna use a block. Now once we are here, just select the block that you wanted. For now I'm gonna use this one. Click on it, just wait until it load up, and once it's here, now once you've done that, just go here in the section where it says minimum height. You need to scrub it all the way to the left side and make it 0 right here. Okay, the next option is you need to go to the advanced option, and from here go to the padded section. All right, so here's the padding, but here it depends on the where the pop-up is located, because different block template is different with the numerical values that you are going to put here. But in my case, maybe I'm gonna put some 20. No, it's a little bit it's too low. Maybe let's something like 50. No, that's not what we need to do. Like 100. No, it's like 10 maybe. All right, and then maybe 10, just to make sure that we have the okay. Now once you've done that, now the next step is we need to make sure that the background is not, it shouldn't match with the font color here. So for you to be able to do that, go here in style, and we need to check the background overlay. All right, so from here you can basically choose the style, right? So gradient. So I'm gonna go with the my favorite color, which is gonna be blue, or let's choose something like yellow, right? And then now when it's done, just click on update. All right, wait for it, and then the next important step is, now once it's finished, we need to go to the WordPress earlier, and from here go to the left side panel, click on all AE templates, right? Click on it. Now once you're here, you need to hover down below. Do you see the short code here? You have to copy that into the page that we are editing on the Elementor. When you copy that, go to the Elementor page again. Now once you're here, click on this one. Now we need to click on this edit right here. And then once we do that, okay, so at the bottom here, click on it, and then click on settings, click on advanced. All right, or just go here in the search widget and click on pop-up, right? As you can see, there's an option for model pop-up. All we have to do is drag and drop these widget right here into our page. Okay, so let's do it. Drag and drop on this button right here. So as you can see, it's a pop-up option, right? Now what we need to do is simply edit this one. Just go to the type of model, click on the short code. Remember what we copied earlier in the Elementor page in the AE template. All you have to do is paste that in. As you can see, once you do that, as you can see, changes have been reflected, but you might want to change the icon library here. When you click on it, you can choose some options like maybe use for YouTube right here. So it's up to you, right? Now click on YouTube and click on insert. As you can see, that's going to be a YouTube channel. You can also change the word right here for the button text, maybe like something like that. And after doing so, you can also go to the style, so you can customize all of it. Maybe choose the background color from yellow. There you go. text color, is it gonna be red? So there's a lot that you can do, and once you've done that, all you have to do is click on update. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.